there, y'all. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we get our first look at some Ipsy October spoilers. Now I got spoilers for Standard, Plus, as well as the Ultimate bags. So if you're excited about this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on, that way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing some confirmed BoxyCharm October base box spoilers, as well as some possible future spoilers and new brand spoilers for the premium September box. Well, thank you so much, Lisa415. Lisa says, hi Mandy, it's hump day. Thanks for the spoilers so early. Well, Lisa, honey, you are more than welcome, and hopefully we make it through this week. I hope your week is going good so far. And Lisa, I really appreciate you having your bell on and coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, before we dive into this madness, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so. During that time, you're going to see a little red heart. It's going to turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink. But it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of 2020, and who don't need that right now? So let's go ahead and do that. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Now let's dive into this madness. Again, I have got spoilers for the October Ipsy bags. I got Standard, Plus, as well as Ultimate. Now, was it yesterday or the day before I done the bag reveal video? So now we got some spoilers. We finally get to see some. And if I can remember, guys, I will timestamp this and pin the comment. That way y'all know where to go. Try to do fast spoilers. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and start with the October Standard bag. Now, again, I love these bags, guys. I really do. I think it's perfect for October, and it's not nothing too over the top. I love the black, the gold. I love it, love it. And I have not been able to say that in the last couple of months because I didn't like their bags the last few months. You know, September's was okay, but it was just okay. It didn't wow me like these bags did. So I do like the bags. Now let's go ahead and see the first spoilers for the Standard bag. So first, guys, we see the Bobbi Brown Smokey Eye Mascara in the shade black. Then we also see the Sunday Riley Autocorrect Brightening and Plus Depuffing Eye Contour Cream. I'm so sorry, guys. Aki keeps climbing on my paper right here in front of me, and if he don't move so I can read that, I'm going to slap his tail. Like his literal tail. Anyways, so the next thing that we see is the Smashbox Cosmetics Oil Plus Shine Control Primer. And then we also see the R Plus Co. Waterfall Moisture and Shine Lotion. Then we also see the Bare Minerals Strength and Length Serum Infused Mascara in Extreme Black. And then we see the Laura Makeup Labs. This is the Queen Blending Brush. Guys, I've never heard of this brand before, but this brush, I love it. I love the like clear, the purple going into the clear like that. I love it. And then last but certainly not least for Standard is the Malin and Goats Mojito Lip Balm. Is that how you say that? Mojitos? Like the drink mojito? Ain't there a drink called mojito? Hell, I don't know, y'all. Anyways, let's go ahead and pull up the Plus bag. And again, they've changed this to the Plus Ultra. You know, it's the new drawstring bag. I do love the bag, and I love drawstring bags. So I like these, but there are a lot of people that have had issues with these bags. Well, not really issues with the quality of them. They just don't like drawstring bags. But I do. I love these. I'd throw that over my shoulder and go on. And I love the design again. Let's see our first spoilers for the Plus. So first we see the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Shape Tape Setting Powder in Translucent. Guys, this does not look translucent in this picture. Am I just seeing shit or what? That looks like it's got like a tone to it, like a shade. I don't know. Let's move on. Next is the Dr. Lip Lip Tint. Now this is a 3-pack. I see a red shade, a pink shade, and like a dark plum burgundy. Now next is the, I don't know how to say this, y'all. I've never heard of this brand. Is it Miss Show Beauty, whatever. Nail lacquer set in Top Coat and Unbothered. That looks like a light blush rose shade. I absolutely love this shade on nails. I would love to see this. Next is the Laboratories Filorga. I don't know if I said that right, probably not. Anyway, this is the Oxygen Glow Eyes. What is this? It's something like an eye cream or something, y'all. Now, next up, we see the Thrive Cosmetics. This is the Brilliant Eye Brightener in Aurora. And then we also see this House Laboratories Lay Riot Lip Gloss in the shade Chaser. Now, we have seen one of these in the past ones. I can't remember if it was that same shade or not, y'all. Next, we see the Violet Voss Lip Gloss in the shade Romantical. Now, guys, let's go ahead and pull up this Ultimate bag. Again, same design. I love it. I just love it. I think it's perfect for October. And like I said, during this time of year, when fall's coming and everything, it just puts me in such good spirits. I absolutely love it. So I can't wait to see what you guys get and what you think about it. So let's look at the spoilers now. So the first thing we see for the Ultimate is the Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion Exfoliator. Then we also see the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA plus BHA Pore Tight Toner. Then we also see the Naked Cosmetics. Now this is a 4-piece pigment set. This is loose pigment and there are 4 different colors. I see a couple of, champagne colors that are a little bit different, not much. I see one like purple shade and one plum or burgundy, whatever you would call that. Next up is the Mayo Beauty Eyelash Curler. Nothing too special, just an eyelash curler. I got one of these from the dollar store. I paid $1 for it and I use it. Like, I've been using that thing for years. And last but certainly not least is the Milk Makeup Cannabis Hydrating Face Mask. Very interesting. I don't think that's the same product that they had in BoxyCharm. There was some kind of a face mask, but it wasn't called Cannabis, so I don't know. I don't know, guys. Let me know what you think. So, guys, what do y'all think about the October spoilers and bags so far? Let me know down in the comments. And, of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. I'm going to keep you in the loop. And, as always, Ipsy is linked below if you want to go check him out. Now, let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Tina's Health and Beauty World. Tina says, it's about time for a Jouet takeover box. Well, Tina, honey, I would love to have a takeover box, especially by Jouet. They are such a luxurious brand. I don't know. I don't know if I've ever tried anything. Not anything I could recall I've ever tried from them. But, yeah, that would be very nice. And Tina, I hope you get what you want, honey. And I really appreciate you watching the video. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave a comment if you want to shout out. And, guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. Yeah, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me. And if you don't, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's really rude not to accept a gift. So, y'all need to go on down there and take that. So go on down there and hit that button. And then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Dang YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.